Hello, welcome back to Deeds DIY. For the month of November, we're going to focus on Veterans Day. You heard me, Veterans Day. How many of you know a family member, a co-worker, a neighbor, a church member, a school member, somebody in our community who is a veteran? I know quite a few. That's why this project is near and dear to my heart. I did a poll on my social media and asked my friends to, hey, shout out your family member or somebody who you know that is a veteran because I want to do something special for them. The response was crazy, man. I enjoyed all the responses. And guess what? My students enjoyed them too. My students decided that they wanted to write letters to veterans to express their thanks and show their appreciation for these individuals who served our country. Yes, our youth want to do something special for veterans. Man, it warmed my heart. It warmed it so well when I walked around and saw how my students were drawing pictures and just expressing themselves in a positive light to show appreciation to our veterans. That was just one of the projects. The second project is my Veterans Day door. I had a theme for this year called Honoring Our Veterans, where I put different veterans' name on a little name tag and I place it on the door. You all will see pictures of it at a later date. And not only did I include the veterans that I know of and my friends know of, I asked my students, hey, do you have any veterans in your family? Or do you know someone who is a veteran? And you will be surprised by the response. It was just beautiful to see them say, hey, my dad's a veteran, my uncle, my grandfather. Just hearing them share their stories of the different veterans that they know was just simply amazing. I had them put the veteran name on a little name tag and place it themselves on the door to just decorate the door and honor them. So when they walk by, they can say, hey, hey, friend, that's my grandfather right there. He served in the military. Or that's my dad right there. He's currently serving in the Air Force. It is amazing to just see this project blossom, and I can't wait to share it with you all. Honoring Our Veterans 2018. Deeds DIY. Welcome back. Here's the final project, Honoring Our Veterans. On this door here, we have some veterans who served in the Army, Navy, Coast Guard, Air Force, and Marines. Some of these people I know personally, or my friends know, or my students' loved ones. Check it out. We are honoring our veterans. Veterans Day Project 2018.